What's going on? It's Chris and Emily from LifterLMS, and you know what day it is. It's Feature Friday. Today, we're going to go over the LifterLMS gifting add-on. It's called LifterLMS Gifts, and what it allows you to do is to purchase a course, not for yourself, but for others, for somebody else. It works regardless of what kind of person is buying the gift, and what I mean by that is you could just be a visitor on the site and you're buying a gift for somebody else and you're not going to enroll yourself or become a user on the site. Maybe you are a user on the site, but you want to give somebody else a different course than what you're enrolled in. Or you're enrolled in the course and you like it so much that you want to gift that course or that membership to somebody else. It works in all those scenarios. Gifting is a great way to kind of open up a marketing channel and to just allow other people to spread the word about your courses and memberships and do that as a gift for somebody else. So it makes it easy. It was historically complicated to buy a gift for somebody else simply because you had to do a lot of workarounds. Like, for example, you could buy access to a course or membership and just share your login, potentially share the login, but then that person would have access to your billing information and so on. So it didn't really work. So we built the perfect solution to allow gifting of LifterLMS powered courses and memberships. Emily's going to take us on a tour. Over to you, Emily.
Thank you, Chris. I'm excited to show you all today how this add-on fluidly integrates into your WordPress website in only 2 steps. You can sell your courses in a new dimension. So all we need to do is add the LifterLMS Gifts plugin to our website. That's step 1, because in our LifterLMS settings and our integrations where we're used to seeing settings, there aren't settings for LifterLMS Gifts. All that's required is that you activate it. The second step to getting gifts purchased for your courses is to enter any of your courses or memberships and create an access plan specific to gifting. A new framework that we're exploring with gifting is that you create a separate access plan for gifting. You might know access plans from Lifter as the way that you get access to a course. So in my case, on this course, you can get access to the course a la carte for yourself. You can get access to the course by buying my site-wide membership. But I'm also going to add the gift access plan. So if we want to gift this to somebody else, let's charge the same price as a la carte. So it's a one-time payment of $500. So the gift access would also be a one-time payment of $500. And the nuance that makes this a gifting access plan is this little question here, use for gifts. We can say, no, do not use for gifting, or yes, use for gifting. And like you saw when I created the access plan, we already have a template laid out for you. So step 1 is activate the plugin, and step 2 is create your access plan, and that's all you have to do, and you're ready to go. We can see how it works from a customer perspective. If we open the course, we can see our 3 options: purchase for myself, purchase for someone else, and purchase with membership. I might want to add a little bit of clarifying text to make it clear that this is something you're going to buy for somebody else. So let's say, this is an option to buy for someone else. And for those of you technical Lifter users who've been following us for years, there is a technical distinction between the way these access plans work. There is a block in LifterLMS to prevent you from purchasing the same course that you've already purchased 2 times over. It says, hey, wait, you already have purchased this thing. You're not going to need to buy it a second time. And with the gift access plan, the reason it's a separate access plan is because it doesn't give you that block. Maybe I've already purchased the course a la carte for myself. I'm already enrolled, but the gift access plan is not going to stop me from buying it again for somebody else, because we don't want to prevent someone who's enjoyed the course from buying it again. We want to allow you to buy it as many times as you want to gift to other people, but you can only buy 1 copy for yourself. So it works perfectly out of the box in that way. When we go to purchase gift access, let's take a look at how this works. We're going to get a voucher code that's going to come to us in a couple of different ways, via an email, and we'll have access to it on our user dashboard. It's super simple. On the checkout page, it says a gift voucher will be created once checkout is complete. So that's all we have to do is enter our credit card details, and we're going to get our gift voucher after checkout is complete. So it redirects me straight to the gift vouchers page. You can see I purchased one of these earlier in the year, but this is the one I just completed my purchase on now. So we can see the status is unused, and this is what I'm going to send to my friend who I've purchased for. Whether it's an employee, a colleague, a teammate, or a friend, I can send them this voucher code, and they can come to the website and redeem that voucher code. Lifter users who are familiar with open registration already know how voucher codes are used. And so my recommendation is that you have open registration turned on. We have other tutorials about how to enable open registration. That's the way that students can redeem voucher codes normally. They can come to the website, they can enter their name, their password, their email, and the voucher code that assigns them to the specific course that they purchased, or maybe their friend purchased on their behalf. So gifting works on top of the Lifter voucher system. The Lifter voucher system is free, and the gifting add-on makes it easy to sell more courses. And we're basically using vouchers as gift cards, gift passes, and so that's how that's going to integrate. So you're going to use that with open registration. But if your friend already happened to have an account on the website, there is a little area here to redeem a voucher once someone's already logged in. But you want to engineer the user experience with open registration and LifterLMS gifting. And in the background, you're also going to get an email. So you're redirected after checkout to the page to view your voucher, but you're also going to receive an email that contains that voucher code for redemption as well. So send the following voucher code for redemption. And so you can say, you can modify the text of this email if you wanted to enter the LifterLMS settings notifications. And we are looking for the purchase receipt voucher. So the new notification here is purchase receipt voucher. Let's edit that email. And so we can say, send the following voucher code to your friend for redemption. Save changes, and that's what's going to be sent out to people when they purchase a gifting access plan. So it's a two-step process to sell more courses and memberships on your website by encouraging your customers to purchase for other people. It's a simple inclusion, and will upgrade your revenue.
Excellent demo, Emily. I appreciate it. LifterLMS Gifts is really powerful. You can add it to any course or membership. Maybe you have a certain course or membership that you really want to be kind of in the gifting program, but you don't want gifting to apply to everything, or you can stick a gift access plan on everything. It's up to you to use gifts to help your courses and memberships be referred out and be able to be gifted. That's it for this Feature Friday. Smash the like button, drop a comment down below, tell your friends, let us know what video you'd like for us to make for you next, and we hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.